Imagine this. Two people earn the same money, same job, same hours. One slowly builds savings and feels calm. The other always feels broke. Nothing is wrong with his income. Something is wrong with his daily behavior. Most people think saving money means sacrifice, less fun, less life. That's wrong. In reality, money is lost in quiet, boring moments you never notice. Today, you'll learn 5 daily habits that silently control your money. And once you change them, your finances will start changing on their own. No motivation, no willpower, just systems. Understand this. Controlling money isn't about willpower. It's about noticing patterns. Every small decision you make, buying a snack, skipping a subscription check, or leaving a small recurring payment, quietly shapes your financial future. The tiny choices pile up. One unnoticed habit repeated every day can cost hundreds or thousands a year. Start by observing, not judging. Observation alone creates awareness, and awareness changes decisions. Now here's the key idea. Big money problems come from small daily actions repeated for years. Not one bad decision, hundreds of tiny ones. When something happens every day, your brain stops questioning it. That's why habits matter more than goals. Goals need effort. Habits run automatically. So instead of chasing more money, we fix the daily behaviors that leak it, freeze it, or waste it. Habit 1. Delay before you buy. First, build a delay between wanting and buying. This habit is simple. Never buy anything non-essential the same day you want it, even if you can afford it, especially if you can afford it. Why this works is simple. Most spending is emotional, not logical. A delay removes emotion. After 24 hours, the urge drops. You either realize you don't need it, or you buy it consciously. This single habit kills impulse spending, online shopping, late-night clicks, useless upgrades. Over time, this saves more money than any budget ever will. Habit 2. Control frequency, not price. Stop focusing on prices. Focus on frequency. A €4 coffee is not expensive once. It is expensive when it happens 5 times a week. A cheap subscription is not cheap if it renews every month forever. Your money disappears not because things are expensive, but because they repeat. So the habit is this. Every week, ask one question. What did I buy many times? Then reduce frequency, not enjoyment. Keep the thing. Use it less. This keeps your life intact while cutting costs where it actually matters. Habit 3. Pay yourself automatically. Next, automate saving before thinking. The moment money enters your account, part of it leaves. This is not budgeting. This is priority. When saving happens after spending, it rarely happens. When it happens first, it becomes invisible and painless. Even a very small percentage works. Automation removes emotion, laziness, and excuses. Over time, your brain adapts to the lower available balance, and nothing feels missing. Habit 4. Separate money by purpose. Now, separate your money mentally and physically. Money without purpose gets spent. One account for daily life, one for safety, one for future plans. When everything sits together, your brain treats all money as spendable. Separation creates friction, and friction protects money. This habit doesn't require more income. It requires structure. Once money has a job, it stops disappearing randomly. Habit 5. Track one number daily. Forget complex tracking. Track only one number. Each day, look at your balance or your spending total. That's it. No spreadsheets, no categories, just awareness. Awareness alone changes behavior. When you see the number daily, you make better decisions automatically. This habit works because it keeps money present in your mind, not hidden, not ignored. Why these habits actually work? Well, notice something important. These habits don't rely on motivation. They rely on friction, delay, automation, and visibility. Humans are bad at discipline, but great at following systems. When you change the system, behavior follows without effort. That's why these habits scale. They work when you're tired, busy, or stressed. That's real life. The 30/90-day reset. So here's the simple plan. For 30 days, apply these habits without aiming for perfection. Delay purchases. Reduce frequency. Automate saving. Separate money. Check one number daily. After 30 days, you'll notice calm. After 90 days, you'll see results. Not because you tried harder, but because you remove friction and stupidity from the system. This is how adults manage money quietly and effectively. Finally, understand this. Money doesn't change when income changes. It changes when behavior changes. You don't need more knowledge. You don't need motivation. You need better defaults. Start today with just one habit. Let it run, and stop overthinking. Small systems beat big dreams every single time. If this video helped you, consider liking and subscribing. It helps this channel reach more people who want to build money the simple, honest way. No hype, no shortcuts, just habits that actually work. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. I read them all. See you next time.